everybody, it is Thursday afternoon. I just came from Artie's, so I got some Texas toast, garlic, and 5 cheese. Bentley, get out of my kitchen. Raspberry lemonade, regular lemonade, uncured turkey franks. I got some vanilla flavor for some cookies. We making cookies. I got my marinara sauce for the lasagna. I got my husband for yogurts, some mandarin oranges, some Clancy cheese, Italian style cheese, and Kobe Jack. I got a pack of ground beef, mixed greens, 2 dozen of eggs, some bacon, some raspberry applesauce, strawberry yogurt covered pretzels, some granola whole grain, dill pickle flavored popcorn, and cheddar jalapeno. I got some tortillas, I got bugles, and that is it. I am making a lasagna today, a salad with some garlic bread. So yeah. Hey y'all, hey, it's still Thursday. I am at home now. I am getting dinner ready. I've been making a lasagna, child. I've been wanting a lasagna. Yes, I've been wanting me a lasagna. Garlic bread. This is cheesy garlic bread and regular garlic bread. This is going in the oven. Saute my peppers. I like to saute them before I put them with my sauce. Peppers and onions, red onions and white onions, yellow, orange, green, and red bell peppers. Look at all them greens and peppers. For work. A lot of meat sauce, a lot of cheese. I don't like no dry lasagna. And I'm using a green cheese blend and a mozzarella. Regular sauce. You use that candy. I didn't make my cheese sauce. I was tired. I'm just gonna slice some of that cheese and put in here. It's gonna melt on its own. So top of this, just a little sprinkle. Bread in here to keep it. I'm gonna try to keep it moist. This cake here. Cheesy bread. pest control guy. I made him a nice slice with a piece of garlic bread. I'm gonna wrap it up for him. Ooh, yeah. Peas. Salad. Lasagna with some cheesy garlic bread and regular garlic bread and a salad. Good morning, y'all. I didn't get a chance to do my cookies last night. I was so tired, so I am up early doing the cookies. Peanut butter cookies. I'm just stirring the peanut butter and the flavor and the sugar. Now I'm adding my 4 eggs. I'm just adding those. Alright, y'all. I'm using my salad bowl. I know it looks crazy now, but just give it a minute. Alright, guys. Here are the peanut butter cookies. Put a little coconut on the top with a little sugar sprinkles. And they are delicious. Okay, these are the cookies I made. And yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification. Thanks for watching.